Hey there, it's time for the weekly training again, and this time we're going to be talking about business systems, mainly what are business systems really about and why they are so critical for any coach or consulting business. Many entrepreneurs start their businesses hoping that they will bring more freedom. However, the reality of running a business is often the opposite. Being a small business owner often means that you need to wear all the hats in your business, be it customer service or accounting or sales and copywriting. And as your business grows, so does the number of things that are on your plate. So if in the beginning things felt empowering, you can really start to feel actually overwhelmed in your business. And you'll be spending more and more time stressing about all the things you should be doing and all the things you might be forgetting. Luckily, however, there is a solution, and that's obviously building better systems for you to manage your business. Now, before we dive in, I will quickly introduce myself. Let me share my screen, because not everyone is probably yet familiar with who I am. So just a second. There we go. So I'm Taina Perenniemi, and I specialize in helping coaches and consultants and service providers streamline their workload with personalized business management solutions on Notion. This way, you can crush your goals, achieve the next level in your business while maintaining your sanity and not feeling overwhelmed all the time. In my personal life, I have two small kids, a 1-year-old and a 3-year-old, who keep me quite busy. But when I find time, I also love to do some yoga in my free time. All right, but first, I want you to think about this question. Did you ever try and fail creating a management system for your business? Very often I meet entrepreneurs who know that it's important to stay organized, who know that it's important to manage their things in a systematic way. And they might take a tool like Trello or Asana or ClickUp or even Notion and put their things there, but still after a while of setting it up, things start falling apart again, and they are not achieving the change they were trying to achieve setting that system up. So I think usually the reason for failing in that way in setting up your systems is that you have actually missed one of the 4 key ingredients. Let's take a look at what business systems really are. What are the pieces you need to have in place? These are the 4 elements of business systems. First, tasks and resources. Tasks and resources are the actions and information that are managed and coordinated in the business system. Tasks are what needs to be done in order to achieve a particular goal or outcome. And resources are, of course, the information, documents, and other stuff you need to conduct a task or a business process. For example, if you had a recruiting system, a task could be interviewing a candidate, and a resource could be a list of interview questions that you use. So this is one critical component to have in your system for it to work. Then, second, there's processes and routines. Processes, of course, are sequences of actions or steps that are completed to achieve a particular end result. So essentially, you could think about these as the recipes for how tasks need to be completed and how resources should be managed in any predefined context. Let's take the recruiting system as an example here again. So a process in this context could be the steps that a candidate goes through as they apply for a role to be hired for your job. Third, we need to have people involved in the right way to sustain a system. People are usually the ones who complete the tasks and operate a business system. You need to make sure that your business systems are properly designed to support how your team members work, and that your team is appropriately trained and equipped and onboarded to be using your system. Again, for the recruiting system example, people would be all of the people managing the recruiting process within that system. Now, finally, maybe this is the obvious one. We need some tools for a system to work. It's a critical element of an effective business system. Tools are the software, platforms, and apps that you use to manage the system. They can be used to organize and manage the tasks and resources, documents, and to document and track the processes, and help the people in your team to collaborate. There's a multitude, an endless amount of specialized tools for building management systems for specific use cases. As a simple and centralized alternative, however, most popular work management tools, such as Notion, ClickUp, Asana, or Trello, can be used to build systems to manage a variety of business activities. To give you an example of a specialized tool for HR management system, there's a tool called Personio that's specialized in human resources information management. And then as a more centralized alternative, you could build an HR management dashboard on top of Notion, which is a more generic work management tool. So there's always several ways to go in setting up systems for particular areas of your business. But if any of these four key ingredients that I mentioned, tasks and resources, processes and routines, people or tools, are missing, that's when your system is going to fall apart. So it's never enough to just find the perfect tool and set it up, but you need to have all these four elements in place in order for the system to work and for you to be able to stick with it long term. Now, let's talk a little bit about the benefits of business systems for business owners. So once you set in place a system that works for your coaching or consulting business, you will see some really great benefits as outcome. So first of all, there's less stress and more freedom. Business systems allow you to manage everything across business functions in a streamlined and organized way. And this, on the other hand, reduces the overwhelming stress for you as the business owner and saves so much valuable time for more high-value activities such as strategic planning or serving your customers. Finally, you can have peace of mind knowing that everything is in control. Then there's easier delegation. There are many reasons why business systems improve delegation. First, having defined your business processes makes it easy to delegate them to your team members. Second, having all the information and resources related to those tasks clearly organized in your system allows your team to find what they need when they are working on those things in an easy and efficient way. Then there's improved consistency. When you have a system in place, you're ensuring that everyone in your team runs your business processes in the same way. The result of this is, of course, that you will have more consistency in your business activities, which in turn leads for you to have better quality and higher client satisfaction. Then there's increased efficiency. Business systems help you streamline the processes and save time, which results in improved efficiency for your business. Systems can also be used to automate some workflows, and this results, of course, in less work for you and your team as well. When you have more efficiency in how you run your business, that means that your team will be able to achieve your goals faster with reduced cost. Apologies. Finally, there's faster growth. So all of the benefits I just described above increase your business's productivity. And this means that you can serve more customers and make more money. With this in mind, it's easy to see how your business system investments will make your business more scalable and sustainable, allowing you to grow your business faster while minimizing overwhelm. As a quick recap in the end, let me go over the most important things we learned in this session. Implementing business systems is essential for running efficient business operations. If you create sound business systems for managing your coaching or consulting business, it allows you to grow successfully and sustainably while minimizing overwhelm. A business system can be defined as a group of interacting, interrelated, or interdependent elements organized in a way that allows you to meet a particular set of business objectives. And the 4 key elements you need to have in place for any business system to work is tasks and resources, processes and routines, people, and the right tools. When you're able to put together a business system that works, you will see the benefits of reduced stress, better delegation, improved consistency, improved efficiency, and faster growth. And the way I can help you here is through Notion. That's what I specialize in. So if you're interested in looking into how Notion could be used to build this all-in-one workspace for you to manage all aspects of your business in one place, do reach out. I'm always happy to arrange a free strategy session where we can see what are the key pain points in keeping your business organized and streamlined, and how we could set up Notion in a way that allows you to keep all of that organized nicely in one place, allowing you to grow without all that overwhelm. There you can see all my main channels. Do reach out if you have any questions or if you need any of my help. Always happy to be there for you. Thank you, guys.